Creating and manipulating formulas in Excel is a common job for many Excel users. We have here the tech giant's quarterly revenue in millions of dollars, and one kick truth is in Excel we write formulas based on location. So let's try to enter a formula to get the total sales of the first quarter here. To do this, we can enter the formula here in B6. We start always by equal sign. So we can try first by typing the cell first B3 and B4 and B5. B4 here, not C3 but B3, B4 and B5. So it gets the total. Press enter, and we can do this in a simpler method. We can simply select the cell. Let's delete this and try again. Equals to here, and we'll select the cell B3 plus B4 plus B5. Now we get the same total. There is one more option to get the sum or the total. Let's try to find the sum and average of the company. So let's enter the sum formula here. First, let's call this header total and this average. So we can sum this 3/4. Start with equal and sum and open brace and select the cell from B3 to D3 and press enter. You can close the brace. Now get the total, and also we can do in the same manner the average is equal to average. Select this one and open brace. Select the cell from B3 to D3 and close the brace and enter. So we get the total and the average. You can drag it for the others company also. So these are relatively simple formula, but the complex formulas are also used in the same manner.